Now from this video onward, we are going to discuss something very important. And these are grouping by and partitioning by. These two methods are very important and they are used multiple times while writing our logic, also in our project. And definitely these are very important for interview point of view. Okay. So pay attention to this, and we are going to have a couple of examples for both these methods. Okay. Let me start with the simple one. So let me create a class group by example1. Let me have the main method. So basically group by does, what group by does is it works similar to group by clause in our SQL. Okay. It is going to group certain number of element on our group by condition into a one category. Okay. So let's say we have a list of person objects. Okay. So let me create arrays.asList new person. Okay, new person, and this person has, let's say, name and age. We are just keeping it not complicated. So let's, the name of the person is John and his age is 30. Okay, let me create few more. So let me create 4 persons. Second is, let's say, Jane. Her age is 30. Alicia, her age is 25. And let's take Tom. His age is also 25. Now the reason why I'm keeping these two people age same, because we want to group on the age. Okay. Now, okay. So now we need to create this person class. I believe person class we have already created somewhere. So if I import this, okay, this is part of the stream operations. Now what's wrong with that? Class person should be public. Okay, so that I can use there. Should be declared in a file name person.class. Okay, fine. So let me extract this. Okay, this is currently part of this stream map person example. Let me refactor and take it out. Refactor and then move class inside this stream.operation and add. Alright, so now this person class has come out and this is public class now. Fine. So now all the errors are gone. The person class objects are created over here. Okay. And let me see, this person class also had what we needed, right? So we have string name, int age, we have a constructor with both the parameters, all the getters and setters, 2 strings. That's it. This is more than enough for us. Okay. Now, what we have to do is we want to group these persons on the basis of age. How we can do that? Let's see. So let me introduce a local variable, and these are people. All right. And then people dot stream. After creating a stream, collect, because grouping by and partition by, these are also terminal operation. We are learning all terminal operations, right? So go to collectors dot grouping by. Okay, now grouping by, what it takes, grouping by takes a function. So basically within grouping by we have to pass on what parameter we want to group. So as I said, we want to group on the basis of age. So person, and person class has all the getters and setters for this name and age. So call the get name, get age. All right. Now put a semicolon, store into a local variable. Now this returns a map. So remember, grouping by returns a map. Now if I go inside this documentation, you can see it returns a map with k, right, and a list. All right, the same thing we can see. Now k is our integer and list of what it was, list of t, which is of person type. All right, now we should be able to print map of age and the person. Now the person contains both the things, name and age, so we should be able to see both. So let me give a relevant name first. So people by age, and let us print this people by age. Save this and run this. Let's see what's the outputs. For age 25 we have 2 persons, Alisa and Tom. Alicia and Tom for 25. All right, this is what we expected. And for age 30 we have John and Jane. right? So these are the two people with the age 30. So this is how we have been able to group them in a certain group based on what condition we give, right? Now let's see some more examples in upcoming videos, and that will make things even more clear. Okay.